Ruidong Group Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, project design and installation service of commercial and industrial central air conditioning equipments and ventilation equipments. Our product range covers more than 20 series, including air-cooled water chiller and heat pump, water-cooled water chiller and heat pump, air handling unit, fan coil unit, rooftop packaged unit, mushroom planting air conditioner, all kinds of valves. We are located in Dezhou City with convenient transportation. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced production equipments, including CNC machines, full automatic painting line, foaming equipment, automatic welding line, national standard testing equipment. In addition, we have obtained ISO and CCC certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China by more than 30 domestic branch companies, our products are also exported to clients in regions as South and North America, East Europe, CIS, Middle East, including Australia, Korea, Canada, Russia. Besides cell phone brand Ruidong, we also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Warmly welcome for long-term cooperation.